Each one of you should tell, what did you learn today? Will you do that? I'm not here.
Yes.
See, to tell S also you are lazy. I told you now, Vivekananda said is the biggest shapa. You ask teacher, she will tell you how to say yes. Correct, no, madam? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Not enough?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir! That's how she should say, right? Correct or not? Yeah? That's how we make our soldiers to say. When we speak to them, we will say, if they don't, that sound doesn't come, finished. That will be end of their life. Here you don't have to say. So all of you, hands are free. Keep your hands free. Right? I will give you some small tip because he said I do activities, but not in 2 hour session. Generally I do only full day session. I asked him, large students full day session is my activity. So he said some other program in the afternoon. This is before actual circus you have got the joker's job. So this is a joker's job which I am doing. Do some activity, right? You want some activity? Now it's time for your lunch, 12:30? Okay, but imagine you have lunch in front of you. The best food you love. Fine? When I say 0, pick it up. When I say 10, it should reach your mouth. But I am not going to say 0 and 10. I will tell, slowly I will start counting. So 5, it should be middle. 0 to 10, 5 is the middle, right? Don't say 1 itself, don't put in the mouth. And don't become too lazy, put here hand, let him count. Up to 9 here, then 10 here. Don't do that. Fine? Ready? Yeah. Now you should do close your eyes. Close your eyes. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. Exactly it went to mouth. Nowhere else, no? So തിന്നാനുള്ള ബുദ്ധിയുണ്ട്. കൈ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ പോകണ്ടേ? Your hand is exactly going to mouth. What a brilliance you have. Don't you think it is related to brain? It is highly related to brain. You want to prove? I will do one. Little, that was a joke. We will do some serious thing. Keep your finger, pointing finger on your knee at 0, and at 10 it should reach your tip of your nose. You can test whether you have taken tip of your nose here. Check tip of your nose, 90 degree. Don't keep it here, it's shame. 90 degree, right? Now put it on your knee, 0. At 10 it should reach your nose. Close your eyes, don't cheat yourself now. I am not testing you, you are testing yourself. Okay? There is a nice board in front of your entry itself. Don't cheat. Winners will not cheat. Cheat, you will never become winners. That's a message. If you are not seen, go and see that verse. Knee, 0. Close your eyes. 3, 5, 7, 8. Don't turn your face, don't turn your finger also. Exactly where it goes, keep it there. 9, 10. Okay, open your eyes. I have seen some people, it reached here, they did like this. I said don't tilt the nose, finger, no? So tilted the nose. Did it reach exactly at the tip or little below? Little below, raise your hands. Little below, raise your hands. Very good. Don't shake hand with them because they have the habit of digging nose. Okay? See, going to mouth it went exact, but nose, not that easy. Correct or not? Now all these people in the row turn this side, at least 30 degree tilt. Your body, not chair. Look there. These people, this row, turn this side. Look this corner. Now stretch your hands like this so that you will not touch others. That's why I asked you to tilt. Take it up. Pointing finger to pointing finger. Are you able to touch? Look at it carefully. Able to touch? Now put it down. Look down, close your eyes, slowly you are going to do, no manipulation. Once I say 8, here, 9 here, 10 here, don't try to adjust. Keep it there, right? Testing. This is the final one, the earlier two were jokes. 0, 2, 4, 6, only one movement. After that, don't keep slowly moving. 8, 9, 10. Now look at it. I know some of you are cheated. I have a record here. Put your hands down, turn straight. Is it that easy? Your own body doesn't know where your own body, right? Your own finger doesn't know where the other finger is. Why? Here you are able to take it very fast without confusion, but this is more confusing. I'm sure if I ask girls, those who have the habit of putting bindi, exactly they will take it, but boys, they cannot. So it means, what is your habit that you can do it easily? Why your studies are not that easy for you? You understood? Do you want to make it a habit? That's only Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, Maithunani, Samani, Chaitani, Nranam Pashunam, Nanam Naranam, Adhiko Visheshu, Nane Bihina, Pashubi Samana. Aharam, Nidra, Bhayam, Maithunam, sex. All these are equal for human being and animal. When this poetry was written, not now. Now everything is more for human. Jnanam naranam adhigo vishesho. Extra, only one quality, that is knowledge. Jnane bihina. If you don't have knowledge, Pashubis samana, you are equal to an animal. So how much time in your life you are not studying? That much time, who are you? Animal. Which animal you can decide. Okay? Now, your job is, one more exercise? Yeah. Continuously clap. Start. Stop. No. None of you will improve in your life because you are not sincere. None of you clapped sincerely today. After a nice class like this, which you will never get in your life, that's mega. Correct or not, teacher? That's why she remembers. Why people remember? I remember the other day, I was standing in Thrissur railway station. In the train, somebody was saying, "Sir!" I couldn't get them, so what did I do? Always I took a picture. So I know who is that who called me, right? Immediately from Kottayam, Government College, teacher called me and said, 2 of our students saw you in Thrissur railway station. So they don't have my number. So what did they do? They telephoned and told the teacher that sir is in the station. We saw him. See, this is the connection. Why do they remember? 1 day, 2 days. We have induction training 2 days program. After that only WWS admission. If they really want to become a scholar, this is how you should learn. And the test was done, selection was done in the induction training program. Not merit students. Merit students sometimes they become lazy. I am already meritorious. Why should I learn something great? That should not happen. You are not sincere. That's a problem. None of you, not even a single person. I will give you 5 marks for clapping out of 100. I will give you one more chance. You think you can improve it? See, the yes itself is not. The confidence should say no. Will you improve? Yes. Let me try. One more try. Last. Ready? Clap. No. Only two, three. Only three people clapped nicely. I'll give you 17 marks. 4, 5 people clapped. The rest of you are not good. You want one more time? Yes? Single finger. Fast. Nice rainy wind. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Now last chance, continuous clap to get you 100 out of 100. You want to try? Yes. See. Yes. See, once I ask, yes. See, why are you not doing? Yes. Why not first? Ready? Yes. Clap. Stop. No. Not improve. See, if you really clap, definitely you will have hands pain. It will become reddish. Now what I am going to do is I don't trust you. I tried trusting. Will you improve? You said yes. That means you are not done 100%. You yourself know. Suppose if I ask you, will you improve? No. That means what? I did 100%. There is nothing to improve. So you, all of you agreed you will improve. That means, correct or not? Do you love this logic? Yes. Do you love you or hate you? Love. You love you. Keep your hands in. Take it little away. And fast love. That's only method to improve. Okay, you are not anyway punishing you. So I will punish you. One more chance to clap. After that I will come. In between your hands I will check. If it is not bloody, if you are not a bloody fellow, I will slap your face. My hands are very rough. Teacher knows. You want to test? Check my hands. It's really tough. If you want 100% proof what sort of person I am, 2016 January I was here. After that, 2 weeks after that, there was a nice Manorama paper in which you are seeing me on top of a coconut tree. I work in the field. Ara Koshida model. She's not here. English literature. Koshi is in Manorama. Absent. She is also in WW. Because they know me. How do they know me? They come and report in different places. When they say that people are changed, they go and respond. And they used to come and meet me wherever I am. Many, because my habit was writing into paper. I got a job in Times of India soon after my MSc. I didn't get into that. I got a job, I didn't get into that. I am a film reporter. I am a film journalist. I am the person who started film in Oman. There were few people who went to Oman: Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt, Rasul Pukuti, Major Ravi, Dr. T.P.S. I was one of them. I love movies. I love writing. Most important is be active in a moment. Right? What you are not today is not a problem. But if you don't become something when you become 60 years old, then it's a big problem. You cannot redo your life. So only method is be active. So I am going to make you most active, otherwise. And all these points what I told you, in case if you meet me somewhere in some railway station sometime after getting married, 3-4 children here and there, and you wanted to meet me on the railway station and say, sir, I attended your class on 24th January 2018 WWS 2019. So you are attending. Immediately I will ask, tell me 10 points. What did you learn in my class? If you don't tell, in front of your husband and children, I will beat. Is that the guarantee? Will you forget what I said? No. You will forget if you don't implement. If you implement, you will remember. Right? So I am going to implement to remember. Ready? Last chance. Clap. Now stop. Now you see all of you did it thoroughly. So only method to make people do is fear, punishment. Why do you want to be like that? Why somebody has to punish you? Enjoy, study, exam. Dr. TPS. My name is Dr. TPS. Don't forget. Dr for doctor, continuous, no gap in between. T is temperature, P is pressure, S is second. Top police service, thermal power station. Talli Police Shashikumar. Okay? Go and search. Enjoy, study, exam, Dr. TPS. You will get 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers. Follow that. Any examination, you will become best. Okay? Now I think I spoke more. I wanted to stop after 1 hour, but your attention, your interest, I couldn't stop. Right? So now we have 15 minutes, 14 minutes to be very frank. Was finished? Yeah, 14 minutes. He said 1 o'clock, right? So 14 minutes. You have at least 1 point which you remember from the class? Yes? Do you have one question to know me closely? Know who am I? Know something from me. I told you, no, you must know the college. Correct? So when you ask, you must know me. If you don't know, you should ask who are you. You could ask me. Then ask some question. So because there is only 14 minutes, 14 people can come. Let me count which are the best students, which department, is it first year, second year. Those who are 100% sure you are girls, then only come. Only those people who feel yes. And if you have stage fear, come here today. Either you die or finish your course. Don't. Come on. 40 people can come. Let me see. If nobody comes before 0, I will finish it. Anything you can ask. Don't worry. 6, 5, 4. You don't have to count how many are there. You jump and count. 3, 2, done? Yeah. This is the only chance. All those people, I am sure, they will feel after going home, oh, I should have gone. Finished. You will never get a chance. Right? Okay, come. You have to come here. Use it. Use the mic. You are seen there. It's getting recorded. It will come on to YouTube. Introduce. Yeah. Which subject?
Myself Nija. Myself Nija S.I.J.
Nija. Nijam means Satyam.
Yeah. And I'm doing my second year English.
English.
Yeah. So my question is, you talked about the lessons of youth. Most of the youth were not going for a post for a PhD. So few weeks ago, we got another class from same WWS, and the sir was talking that a basic degree you need is a bachelor degree, and sir suggests us to opt for a job, and you can do, if you want, you can do a PG parallel. So and also I'm thinking personally, I'm hearing news about youth then what is the need for us, or why you are commenting, or why you are suggesting us to take a PG or a postgraduate degree? No, PhD.
If I would have been asked to give a career guidance program for a general public students who are not meritorious, I will suggest them. Somebody calls me after a radio program from Dubai. Generally I go for programs in Gulf, and radio is one of the best communication in Gulf. Immediately somebody will call, sir, ഞാൻ എന്ത് പഠിച്ചാലും ജോലി കിട്ടാം, മോനിപ്പോൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യണേ, 10th class ഒന്നും പഠിക്കണ്ട, ഇപ്പോൾ ജോലിയാണ്. You understood? So medicine is given based on the disease. I know that I came here for a WWS program, and there is a use for WWS program already defined to prove that students reach higher level. Got it? And I guarantee you, any bright student, assume that if there would have been a bright student in 11th and 12th, who would have got KVPY exam, ISER admission, assume you don't join ISER but you join in this college, still you will get 6,000 rupees pocket money. The fellowships what people get today is much higher than the salary which they get. An MBBS doctor in Hyderabad is paid 3,000 rupees per month. Whereas, if they do PhD, I have got my nephews, after doctor they have got into MTech, then did PhD. The fellowship is 1.5 crores. So my imagination is not you should become a seller in a, or maybe a salesperson in a shop. After MBA people go to sales job. My ambition is, what's your name? Nija should become a doctorate and then do PhD, get into a university and motivate a lot of children to become great. Got it? More than the salary, if you are a PhD and a good research scholar, you can visit at least 25 countries in your life with government money. When I was a PhD student, I went to Hong Kong. I was the youngest participant. I got a lot of awards being an youngest participant. Got it? Lot of, assume that you become civil service. Minimum 20 countries you will visit during the training itself. Salary is less than any businessman in Kottayam. Probably. They will get only 2 lakhs per month. That's nothing. If you do business, maybe real estate, you will make much more. But a Kottayam collector is the revenue chief. The whole Kottayam, he can do a lot of things with the government money. He can get thousands of crores of rupees for this. Once you become a university professor, you can get a lot of money project wise. And which you can give fellowship to children, students. Got it? And the status is much higher. And I'm 100% sure if I go to Delhi and give lecture, I will tell all of them you get into some job. Because the trend is that. Bombay, the trend is that. Here in Kerala, if every graduate go for a job, nothing is there. No job here. Entrepreneurship is very good, but Kerala is not a place for entrepreneurship. I'm also an MBA. I give lectures on entrepreneurship. I teach students in diploma in entrepreneurship in University of Hyderabad. My friend is one who started Redbus.in. One of the best entrepreneurs. Without any money, he is making money. So I'm not against it. But if you don't study now, I'm 100% sure you will never do MA in your life. Or you may do a private which has no value. Going to the university and do it, it has a great value. Going to a college where few researchers are there, it has got a great value. Once you get a master's from the best university in the US, your monthly salary becomes 20 to 30 lakhs. With your graduation, you are very good, you can write an SOP, you can do a master's in the best university abroad, an MA, and after that PhD. Day before yesterday, I was in somebody who is in Hyderabad, he wanted to make movies, so we had a discussion. His monthly rent for his house is 2 lakhs rupees. Because they worked in US. You understood? So study, and their children, she is doing dermatology, masters, big books. With the money, why they are learning? Making money, living is not important. Your status improves as you learn. Learning higher is like climbing a mountain. The more you learn, you feel that your visibility increases, your dignity increases. You feel dignified. I know the subject. Okay, God bless you. Yeah.
Morning to all. I'm Harsha from physics.
Harsha.
Yeah. So,
Harsha.
many of the words that you told in this class, I had got all those words in my school time, and I forgot them in my life till I.
That's why I said you will forget if you don't implement it.
So, can you guide me to implement this?
Call me tomorrow morning as soon as you wake up. Let us see whether you wake up or not. Tell your parents to talk to me after 2 days. See that you have a difference in your life. Show difference. To whom? To your parents. They should tell, I am proud that I have got it. I told my brother who told you cannot study maths. Today he says, he introduces me in many programs. He takes me to different places. And he says, I'm so glad, so proud that I have a brother like this. I lost my father when I was 4 years old, so he is my guardian. So my best certificate in my life is the brother who told me I am not good in during plus 1, plus 2 at your age. Now says, the best man I have seen in my life is Dr. TPS. Right? You can see my brother, Professor TPS, talking about Dr. TPS. He made a review on my book also. Right? He says it's a beautiful poetry. And his English is fantastic because during his BSc zoology, his professors were British professors. Those days there was no Indian professors to teach. Those days Britishers was ruling. So his English is also fantastic. Sometimes to read one paragraph of his writing, I will have to refer dictionary many times. So I was glad that he read my poetry and then he says it's beautiful, right? So you can make a difference. And who has to certify? Your parents have to certify. They should say that I'm so glad I have got a daughter like this. Okay? Name.
Hi everyone, I am Raisa. I am from second BSc physics.
Hold it.
So I have a doubt, that is, we all have here the saying like jack of all and master of none.
That's a stupid old proverb. I am writing another book to say old proverbs are useless. That's called a life reflection.
Yes, I have.
Wait, let me finish. Master of one, jack of all trades. That's a new definition.
And that defines you. And in this class, I get the definition from you. And I am facing this question every year from my family because like as students, if we have a goal, we should have a single-minded devotion to pursue that goal.
That is very stupid. Ask them you should only eat one curry, one sabji, one tiffin or variety. Should you wear only one cloth or different variety?
Different variety.
If you are a tourist, do you go to only one place every time or you go to different places?
Different places.
If you are a reader, do you read different books or only one book?
Different places.
If you study well, do you study only one subject or different subjects?
Then our focus will get diverted.
That is a very bad situation because you are all gifted multimedia children. My son is doing research PhD. He's a wonderful photographer. He's a good writer. He got Irish government award for the best photography and best writing. My son is a best nuclear physics scientist and he's a good footballer. I watch all the movies on the release day. At your age, I used to watch 40 movies per month. Does it mean I eat different things? Does it mean I don't study? You can. And you can see TV, read, listen to their scolding, chat with your friends, listen to music, all that you can do parallelly, but your parents cannot do. Therefore, they tell you, you can only focus on. That is their handicap, not your problem.
But I have been heard to say like our human brain is not supposed to do multitasking.
That is a stupid old theorem. Brain has got number of neurons, 50 million connections are possible. Your mother, when they make dosha, do they scold you?
Yes.
Tell them focus in dosha, otherwise it will not become round. When your father is driving, when somebody speak, don't speak, I am driving. Maybe true when they are learning driving, but after that they will also put tabla on the steering, right?
Yes.
So if you are an expert, you can do multiple things. And I am a meditation master from Himalayas. I enjoy doing every bit in my life.
So, but you know, if you want to put our 100%.
100% in different things. When you make chai, you make a good chai. On the other stove, you have got a upma making. If by mistake, will you put sugar in upma and salt in chai? Mother is able to handle 3 stoves parallelly?
Yes.
Then you tell, I can study different subjects parallelly.
Sir, then, okay, so what is it, how can you distinguish between the passion and job? Or which one is the priority?
See, the passion is, if I love agriculture, that's a passion, which I will not walk in somebody's garden and pluck whatever possible and eat. Right? I will cultivate myself. Understood? If I have interest, I will go in somebody's. And as a job, you can work for somebody else without interest also. But sometime, my wife keeps saying, she's also a scientist, maybe better scientist than me today. She's in Delhi, she keeps on traveling, teaching, all that is new. We started together my life. I took volunteer retirement after 20 years. Now she keeps saying, you are more enjoying because it's my passion. As a scientist, as a person in Prime Minister's office, I hardly meet people. Now today, every day I am meeting thousands of children. Got it? And I have got more than a lakh of contact in my laptop. Maybe thousands of WhatsApp, lot of group. Today I have got an invitation. Yesterday I got an invitation from Gorakhpur because I am teaching Bhagavad Gita on Skype to American students. Right? Hearing that, one of the students told the teacher that there is somebody who is teaching Bhagavad Gita in a different style. Therefore, call him, and then I got an invitation. So it's only on YouTube, whom I don't know, they are calling me because that was my passion. Got it? I can do much more than what I can do. Do in your passion after getting a job, after pension. So my life bio sketch is going to be passion after pension. That's my next book. Fine? Enjoy. What's the subject?
Physics.
Physics. Physics is the best subject in the world because if you know physics, Kepler's law, one solar system, lot of planets, one of the planets is Earth. Study about Earth becomes geography. So a physics person should be good in geography because at least Earth you should know fully. And once you are in Earth, zoology people are very good. Because on Earth, which animal is there, what is zoology people? Botany will learn which plant is there. They go up to the cell size, they become biology. Go inside the cell, they become chemistry. Atom. Inside atom when they go, they become again physics. Neutrons, electrons, protons. So you start with a planet which goes around a solar system. Here you will go, electrons going around the proton and neutron, nucleus. Same speed, same spinning. Therefore, Upanishad said, Yada Pindhe Tada Brahmande. Physics is only one line in Upanishad. Yada Pindhe Tada Brahmande. Brahmandam and atom. Connecting together subject is physics. And I am a more physics man because my PhD is in fluid mechanics. Though I am a mathematician, my PhD is in fluid mechanics. And I am an optics man. I studied optics. Yesterday, day first day I was teaching image processing. How to take image, all that. So physics has got lot of scope. Okay? Good. Enjoy.
My name is Donna. My name is Donna.
See, my name is very clear. What is exactly required is the name. That is Dhur.
Sorry. My name is Donna. I'm from.
Actually, my name is an old English. I am is the best way to introduce.
I am Donna from the physics department. So I used to
Is
study.
it Donna is the root word for donation?
No.
Okay. I do. Yeah.
So I used to study when I like and when I'm interested in studies. Now I don't have a perfect timetable. I don't have
Not at
anything
all.
else. But everybody tells me to study according to a good timetable and according to a good pattern. But I prefer to study as my mind.
But time should be there and table also should be there.
So-
Somewhere you can study. There is no rule. What is good for you? Each one can make their own. But decide that every day 8 hours I will study at home. Yeah, 24 hours, 8 hours you are in college, 8 hours you are sleeping. The rest of the 8 hours in between you take a break. Don't study continuously. Every 20 minutes, one subject. You have sister at home?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. They predict things happen. And go to the sister and then pull their hair, pull their chunni, beat them, go around, run, play, and say, now finished. I have one more chapter to finish. I'll come after 20 minutes. You can fight with me. That 20 minutes concentrate. In between break, in between enjoyment. Then come back and write down what did you study earlier 20 minutes. These are all what I explained in that 30 points to students. Right? You don't have to make a timetable, but at least you should have water in front of you while you are drinking less water. Yes or no? Yes? I know I am from an Ayurvedic family. Looking at people, I will tell the disease people are. So you should drink a lot of water, otherwise you will fall sick later. Drink a lot of water, study continuously, it makes sure you cannot sleep. Understood? Then you will become better. Yeah.
So I'm not good in English. I can't speak.
You are good in English, you are speaking very well. What you are not good is Malayalam. Because you cannot explain every item here in Malayalam, but you can explain in English. Tell me Malayalam for this. You don't. So which subject language you don't know? You don't know Malayalam, you know English. What is this? Watch, English or Malayalam? So you know English? Eh? English. So you know English or Malayalam? English. So don't tell I don't know. The worst thing which you tell many people are I don't know English. That itself they are saying in English. And that's a perfect English. Okay? Don't worry what others think about your English. Keep speaking. Okay? That's it. And you want to know my better English? Go and look at my National Geography program. I have a different English there. Fine?
Good afternoon, I am Sneha.
When you say good afternoon, if they don't say good afternoon, your good afternoon is wasted. And after good afternoon, give time, look at them. You are not telling good afternoon to the mind. That already said. If you are telling good afternoon, you should look at them. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
That should be most of it. Why did you become like this? Response, because that's how you have been trained in the program. Go to stage, say good afternoon, my name is blah, 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 blah. And when you see somebody on the corridor, teacher, you will say good afternoon. They look like this. To such teachers, don't tell good afternoon. Look at them in a group, like this and this. Understood? If they ask why are you showing like this, you should tell. Yesterday when I said good afternoon, this is how you will manage. Right? So I have to give you that only. That is your good afternoon, right?
Okay.
So take response, reflection. Yeah.
Am I right in saying that you encourage people to become like you or to do what you have done so far?
No.
If not, why?
Only one person can become. There was one question by somebody asked me, what do you want to be in your life? Who is your role model? That's what you are asking. Who is your role model? I said Mahatma Gandhi is my role model. Isaac Newton is my role model. When I read physics, Isaac Newton. When I read India, I will be having maybe Nehru or Mahatma Gandhi. When I read Bajpayee is my role model. Kalam is my role model. But they are not what I am, or I can never be like them. I cannot become Vivekananda, I cannot become Shankaracharya, but I can become a big Shashi Kumar. So who is my role model? A big Dr. T.P.S. So who is your role model? A big you. That's what is important. And create a lot of things to fill in you to make you big. Okay? Yeah. nothing new to add. You decide you are not lazy, you will become the best and never become lazy again. Okay? Then you can be what you want to. Let it be anything, doesn't matter. Have you seen I Love Zindagi movie? Beautiful. Right? There are a lot of good movies. A singer does a lot of job. The girl, Muslim girl who wanted to become a singer, what is the movie? Eh? Eh? I call different, that's why I want you to tell. Superstar, secret or secret superstar? You change those words and try, there will be a better heading for it. She is a super secret star. Correct or not? What is the movie gives message? She is a secret superstar. Superstar. Secret. Change that and check. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, now you learn.
I am Leah. I'm from English department.
Okay?
I am Leah from English department. Sir,
क्या लिया कहाँ से लिया क्यों लिया हैं I don't know Hindi. You passed 10th class?
yes,
You studied Hindi up to 10th?
update.
Up to 8th you studied. लिया is what is that? लिया क्या लिया क्यों लिया कैसे लिया
Leah is short for area.
एलियामा पंडे एलियामा इप्पा लिया थोड़ा व्यत्यास हाँ पर एलियामा बा
Short for area.
yeah that in Kerala area becomes Eliama with respect Rosa Rosamma
You said in the ancient times our universities were the best, like Nalanda University and all. But now our academics is very inferior compared to the West. Compared to the West, it is.
no
Okay, I mean.
no I don't agree then the question doesn't exist. You must watch what America imports from India. There is a YouTube presentation by American TV, not Indian TV. They will tell they import brain from India. I have a friend who is an English professor in Lincoln University who taught Britishers which English language for 40 years. He is a professor of English in which place? England. From where? From India. Imagine Indian people go to England and teach English there. Have you ever seen any British people coming and teaching any subject here?
No.
So which country is great? Earlier we used to ask them to come here. We said you stay there, we will come there. So any university you go, there are a lot of Indians who are teaching.
And now there's a lot of politics involved in academics. Has it changed the standard? Has it lowered the standard?
No. See, all this political interference for some appointment here and there, they are all lower class jobs. President of India cannot get an IAS fellow pass in exams with influence. Possible?
No.
IIT admissions, IIM admissions, AIMS admissions, best university, best institute in India, best job in India. No politician, no Prime Minister, President of India can also influence. So we have non-corrupt best and we have corrupt least worst. You are looking for worst, I am looking for up. Okay, that's the difference.
Yes, sir.
You got my card?
Yes.
Yeah. What's my number?
9447
Good, at least 4 numbers correct, no?
Hi, I'm Taibi.
Eh?
Taibi.
Okay, yeah, can
I'm very happy to be here because
I am so happy there is at least one person who is happy to be here.
because one thing I want to say that Sir told that physics is the basic of all subjects. I'm always arguing with my friends.
No, that is because one physics student asked me. If some, see, I have got one nuclear physics son. And the other son is politics, and he will say, without the politics, no nuclear physics. We ban you, finished.
I'm also a physics student.
So politics is much better. And without the geography, no physics. Without the commerce, nothing works. Without economics, no commerce. Without life, nothing. So life science is important. Without mathematics, nothing can improve. Mathematics is important. Any subject without English, you cannot express anybody. English is important.
All subjects are important.
That's it. All subjects are important.
I want to ask you two questions. One question. What is the opposite of lean? You told that.
Lean. Lean is without energy. You are lean. And she is stout. Energy and energy is there and then she is stout, right? Lean opposite is stout. Slim opposite is fat. Don't be fat, don't be lean. Be stout or slim.
And I'm a person who loves hearing stories. So I want to know that you are mastering space technology or something like a big space based. Can you explain some of your experience with me about that experience?
With you, we will do it private. Yeah, most of my stories must have told in many of my lectures. There are more than 1,600 YouTubes. We'll have a long story. Fine? Send a WhatsApp, I'll send you the story.
Hello everyone, I'm Madan.
What is hello? Hello is when Alexander Graham Bell invented, he called his girlfriend hello. So, is there any hello here? No, don't. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. I am Madan Paul.
What is the meaning of namaskaram? Na ma. I came onto the stage, but no ahangaram, ahanda, being that I am on stage, you are all lower. I am one among you. That's the meaning. It has got a lot of meaning. So understand the meaning. Okay? Every word, look at it.
I'm from Department of Commerce. My question is, actually I don't find so much meaning in my question, but still, actually when I was standing there, I was thinking whether this question is right, and I was thinking whether what are answers you would be giving me. So my question is that, like Abdul Kalam has said that your signature should be on your autograph, and everyone can make their signature or autograph.
You get your book. You get your book, I'll give my signature. That will become an autograph.
Yeah, I was able to.
Get it. Generally, last page you will see all. Love it. Come here. Come. So you will see. You must read. What is this? Louder.
S.
What is this? Which letter? What is this letter? Yeah. He doesn't know any of it. Okay, what is this letter?
S.
What is this letter?
I.
What is this now? Is it not a...
You mean yes? Oh, it's a sign.
Yeah, that's good.
No, actually,
You want my signature to be... See, autograph is something you will remember. Correct? Some graph which you draw, which you will remember, so that you will remember. Will you forget my signature? This is my signature. Show them. Got it? So that becomes your signature. Yeah. What he means is every one of us want to make an image in life. Okay, that image is my signature. Whatever I do should have my impression on that. Abdul Kalam left the Department of Space before I joined. I retired after 20 years. He retired after 18 years. Not retired, he jumped into defense. So he is not a space scientist as far as we are concerned. He is a defense scientist. Okay, defense department he worked along. After that, his passion was teaching. So when he speaks to you, you remember him because there is a point which is given to you. So his words become signature. His presence becomes signature. Okay, what you write becomes signature. That's what it means. So anything which you do, you get an impression, and that impression carries in your heart.
Everyone can be like that.
Everyone can be like that.
But if everyone is like that, then what is value?
I'll tell you, assume that you go for a marriage. 1,000 people are there. Your presence will not be felt by many. But can you make your presence felt at least to 20 of them? Very simple. I am sure your auntie will like when saying, oh, this is beautiful, so nice, but the dress is very good. Definitely, even if you don't know that person, they will ask you, what is your name? Correct or not? But don't try to do this artificially. Do it from your heart. Got it? So people will never forget you. You must care for others. There are few, I have got a trust which is called a Shiksha. We have got few messages. Share, care, love. And give knowledge. Whatever you study, you will never forget in your life. If it is different. Whatever you eat will be forgotten. Which is important? Learning is important. I am sure you will never forget this class. Understood? That is because there is difference. So I made a signature in you. You asked a question. So I will never forget your principal told me which kurta I wore in the last lecture. And he asked you, is that the same person who wear kurta, right? Yeah. So they also remember the color of the kurta, right?
How can I be as a person?
That's what I'm saying. You make your impressions not by show, not by feeling, but being that. Correct? There is something showing. Showing will not be impressive. What is impressive is being. Be that. If I am only artificially doing my job, I am sure you will not take me. You will forget me. But if I am sincere in what I am doing, and sometimes not being absent will create a signature. Assume you don't attend a marriage, people will ask, why he has not come? Why they are asking? Because your presence is must, right? Sometimes being absent makes a presence for you. I got a lot of such stories. We'll reserve something for the afternoon. Right? You'll be there? They're there? So, is it good enough? What? Did I give me a card? Finished? So, thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you. Enjoy living. And what is life? I'll tell you that. If you don't attend, ask those people to attend. Whatever you learn, write points, share with many people. Right? After you are sharing, if somebody sends me a message, so and so student told me this, then I will be the happiest. Not from you is fine, but more than that, what I want is from your message going to somebody else. My telephone number 944 74 37 948. Yeah.
Once again, I'm introducing myself, Varun Paul. So my duty right now is to have a vote of thanks for him. So last words said by him is that I should, if I want to be impressive, or if you guys want to be impressive, you should dedicate yourself into it. So sir, it's a very nice class for me. For me to be very openly coming for WWS class is like simply sitting over there, hearing someone's class, going back to my friends, having so much of social talks, simply told me to see me water tanks right now, so I don't even have a standard way of presenting it so that it goes like this. So thank you so much, sir, for us. On behalf of WWS students, we thank you so much. I am 100% sure that at least nearly about 50 students are sitting here, or above that. At least 30 will be so much of impressed by him. So that is a great thing for us. Thank you, sir.
എനിക്ക് ഒന്നും പറയാനില്ല. ജിബിൻ പറഞ്ഞ കട വിളിക്കണം. ജിബിൻ ഇവിടെ സാറിനെ വിളിക്കാനായിട്ട് വന്നപ്പോൾ ജിബിൻ അനിൽ സാറിന് പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടു, റീചാർജസിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫാനാണ് വരാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ജിബിനോട് ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ പോലും ഞാൻ സാറിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞില്ല, പക്ഷേ ജിബിൻ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതെന്ന് എനിക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും അറിയത്തില്ല. ബട്ട് റിയലി സെറ്റ് ജിബിൻ എൻ്റെ ഒരു ഗ്രേറ്റ് ഫാനാണ് സാർ. സാറിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോസൊക്കെ ഞാൻ കാണാറുണ്ട്. സാറിൻ്റെ ടിപ്സ് ഓഫ് പാരൻറ്റിങ് ടിപ്സ് എല്ലാം സാറിൻ്റെ മേഖല നിങ്ങളുടെ സാറിൻ്റെ കണ്ടുകഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അറിയാം. നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഭയങ്കര എഫക്റ്റീവായിരുന്നു. കുറച്ച് പാരൻസിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ കാണുമ്പോൾ സാറിൻ്റെ സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ പാരൻസ് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നിപ്പോൾ, കുറച്ചൊക്കെ സാറ് ആണ്ടർപ്രണേഴ്സ് അഡ്രസ് ചെയ്യാനാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. സാറിന് ഇതെന്താ അവർ മീൻസ് സാർ ഏത് മേഖലയിൽ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ വിചാരിക്കും ഓ സാർ ആ മേഖല സാർ എക്സ്പേർട്ടാണ്. അത്ര ഈ സാറിനേക്കും ഒരു കുഞ്ഞു കുട്ടിയെ 2 വയസ്സായ കൊച്ചിനെ കൊണ്ടെടുത്ത് പോകും സാർ ആ മേഖല സാർ എക്സ്പേർട്ടാണ്. ഞാൻ സാറിൻ്റെ പ്രോഗ്രാം CMS കോളേജിൽ എൻ്റെ കുട്ടിയുമായിട്ട് ഞാൻ പോയിട്ടുണ്ട് സാർ. സാറിൻ്റെ ധ്യാനത്തിലോട്ട് എൻ്റെ കുട്ടി വിടാനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ അടുത്ത വെക്കേഷൻ സമയത്ത് എൻ്റെ കൊച്ചു വന്ന് സാർ പറഞ്ഞ് 10 വയസ്സ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് വിട്ടാൽ മതി, 12 വയസ്സൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് വിട്ടാൽ മതി സാർ. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാനിങ്ങനെ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ പാർവതി ഇപ്പോൾ സാറിൻ്റെ ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട് പാർവതി? ഞാൻ പാർവതി ഇവിടെ പാസ്ഔട്ടായ ആളാണ്. സാറിൻ്റെ 2 ക്ലാസ് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ പാർവതി സാർ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. പാറു ഓൺ ദ സ്പോട്ട് പാറു ഒന്നും നോക്കിയില്ല, പാറു ഒന്നും തിരിച്ച് ക്ലാസ്സിലോട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. മീൻസ് ഞാൻ വെച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും ഒരു ഭാഗ്യമാണ് സാറിൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്. ബാക്കി എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കുട്ടികളെ ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ജിബിനോട് ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് എൻ്റെ കുട്ടികളെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നാൽ സാറിന് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാവോ, ജിബിന് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാവോ? ജിബിനോട് വിളിച്ച് കൊണ്ടുവന്നോ? കാരണം എനിക്കറിയാം അവർക്ക് ഇതുപോലെ ഒരു ക്ലാസ് ഇതുപോലൊരു ആളിനെ കാണാനായിട്ടുള്ള ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇനി അവർക്ക് നമ്മുടെ കോളേജിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ ഒരു പാസ് ഔട്ടായി പോയ ശേഷമായിരിക്കും സാർ വരുന്നത്. ചിലപ്പോൾ അവർ നേരിട്ട് കാണാനൊരു ഭാഗ്യം അവർക്ക് കിട്ടിയല്ലോ എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു. ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഞാൻ അവരെ അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവരും ഭാഗ്യവാന്മാരാണ്, ഭാഗ്യവതികളാണ്. ഭാഗ്യവാനായ സാറിനെ കിട്ടിയ നിങ്ങൾ ഭാഗ്യവതികളാണ്. ഓക്കെ. പിന്നെന്താ പറയുന്നത്, എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഇന്ന് കോളേജ് ടൂർ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്ത ദിവസമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അന്ന് ജിബിനോട് അയ്യോ ഞാൻ ഇല്ലാത്ത ദിവസമാണ് സാർ വരുന്നത്, സാറിന് അത് കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ലല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ ജിബിൻ പറഞ്ഞു എൻ്റെ ടൂർ മാറ്റി വെച്ചപ്പോൾ ജിബിൻ പറഞ്ഞു മിസ്സിന് പേരിൽ ലോട്ടറി അടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, മിസ്സിൻ്റെ ടൂർ മാറ്റി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ. ഞാൻ അതെല്ലാം നിയമമായിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നത്, എൻ്റെ ഒരു നിയമം, ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു നിയമമായിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ താങ്ക് യു സാർ, താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും എന്താ പറയേണ്ടത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചാൻസ് ഞാൻ പലരോട് വീണ്ടും ഞാൻ പറയാം, ഇതിൻ്റെ ചാൻസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയില്ല എന്ന് പറയും. സാറിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോസൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടംപോലെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും, പക്ഷേ സാറിന് വ്യക്തിയെ അടുത്ത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കിട്ടുക എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ്സ് റയർ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ഫോർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.
എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു നിങ്ങളെക്കാളും അല്പം കൂടി ലക്കിയാണ് ഞാൻ. കാരണം ഞാൻ ഇതിനു മുമ്പ് സാറിൻ്റെ പ്രോഗ്രാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഒരു 5 മണിക്കൂർ സാറിൻ്റെ സെഷൻ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയെന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഈ പൊതുവെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ കേൾക്കാനായിട്ട് എസ്പെഷ്യലി പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നവരായതുകൊണ്ടാവാം ടീച്ചേഴ്സിന് പൊതുവെ താല്പര്യക്കുറവാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഗോകുല സ്കോളറിൻ്റെ അന്ന് പ്രോഗ്രാം വൈകുന്നേരം തീർന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടുത്തെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് അത് എഴുന്നേറ്റ് പോകുന്നില്ല. അവസാനം ഈ റിജാംസ് പോലെയൊക്കെ ഉള്ള ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് അവരെ അതിൻ്റെ അവസാനം ഇവിടെ എങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞു വിടുമെന്നുള്ള രീതിയിൽ ആകെ വിഷമിച്ചാണ് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ പോയത്. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു സെഷൻ ഗോകുല സ്കോളറിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ BCA കോളേജിലെ 60 സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനായിട്ട് ലിമിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ലക്ഷ്യം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആ ഒരു കാര്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിട്ടാണ് ഉച്ചകഴിഞ്ഞത്തെ സെഷൻ നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടുത്തെ എല്ലാ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനുമായിട്ട് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്.